Akib Juet as a coach is not doing that well as what we were expecting
I think he's
from
stubborn,
him.
Rana San. Unfortunately, defending champions are officially out of Champions Trophy in the first round itself.
Plus,
Now we don't.
it's also my favorite team to win the Champions Trophy as well.
And Rana San, how do
We
you
should
see
ask
this
from
one?
Wasim Akram that what should be the changes in the team right now.
This one was
Which
not in
player-
favor of him, which we have seen.
Exactly. I guess he was in favor of having
The
one
reason
more.
of keeping them if you want to drop them.
Definitely, I'm not getting why they have just gone with the one.
So there are lots of discussions happening. Sport and Rana Sab is with the studio. How are you, Akil?
I'm good. What about you, Akib?
I'm doing well, Akil bhai, and Governor Singh basically has criticized Mohsen Naqvi, like how he made the stadiums. He should have also built the Pakistani cricket team in that.
Yes,
He said that
definitely.
you're making stadium, but you're not building the team.
Definitely, we have focused on making the stadiums, but we haven't built the team. That's the main issue. That's why Pakistan has lost the matches, and Pakistan is officially out of the Champions Trophy.
Rana Sab, how do you see Akib Javed as a head coach, as his tenure so far, with the way he's done the selections, and he's been criticized a lot as well.
For me, I think Akib Juet as a coach is not doing that well as what we were expecting.
I think he's
from
stubborn,
him.
Rana Sab.
Yeah, definitely. In the test matches, he's using the spinners, and in the ODIs, he is totally against using spinners. As in the Champions Trophy, we were just going with a one specialized spinner, Abrar. So I guess. It doesn't make any sense that in the test match you are just focusing on your spinners, and in the you can say like one day matches you are just focusing on your fast bowling, and in the end our fast bowling is also not performing. That's a major concern for Pakistan as well.
Rana Sab, how do you see the way Bangladesh has lost to New Zealand?
Yes.
And Pakistan, unfortunately, defending champions are officially out of Champions Trophy in the first round itself. Now we don't have that pride of holding the Champions
Yeah,
Trophy.
definitely Pakistan is out of the Champions Trophy, and we will get a new champion inshallah by the 9th March. And Bangladesh is
Really struggling.
you can see like Bangladesh as a team is struggling, and we are hoping that they can make a good comeback. But for me, I guess
Also
New
not
Zealand
against us. Also not against us.
definitely not against us, because we want actually one match to win, because in that we actually want some positive things to happen in the
Consolation
Champions
victory.
Trophy. Exactly. And for me, I guess New Zealand is great. They are playing great. Their spin bowling, their batting is you can say like excellent, and plus it's also my favorite team to win the Champions Trophy as well.
And Rana Sab, how do you see this one? Do you think that he should continue or should be removed as captain? Because I think, in my opinion, changing captain constantly will break the team and
Yes.
will not fix it. And now his Rizwan has not been given much time.
As you have seen, like couple of years back, Babar was not performing as a captain. Everyone was against him. Right now, Rizwan has lost the Champions Trophy, and everyone is also against him as well. So for me, I guess we should give some time to Rizwan as a captain. He's a good player, he's a good leader, and we expect him some good changes in the team. Plus, we want captain also in the selection committee as well. Last time there was no captain role in selection committee. There was just a coach and 3 or 4 other seniors. So we want captain also in the selection committee as well, and we want some major changes. As Wasim Akram has said that we want some 5 to 6 new players in the team.
And who are those players?
Exactly, that's the main, I think that's the main question we should ask from Wasim Akram, that what should be the changes in the team right now, which players should not be in the team and which players should be in the team for Pakistan. So I guess that's the major question for Pakistan right now.
Rana Sab, I feel that Rizwan, the way he's going, what do you think? What do you see basically his future? And I think, I feel that he's not been given the same power and
Yes.
authority as Babar was given. I think Akib Javed is more powerful, and Rizwan has certain sort of power, but he does not even have certain powers. as well.
Exactly. I'm saying that Akib Jued has a power, and Rizwan don't have as much power what we want as a captain.
And I think Rizwan was not in favor of fame, which we have seen.
Exactly. I guess he was in favor of having one more spinner, and he was not in favor of having Fahim, Khushdil Shah in the team. So we want some major changes in the team, and I ask and I want some major power role to Rizwan as well.
Rana Sab, the way Abrar was bowling, didn't it hurt you that we have good spinners, Faisal
Yes.
and Sufyan? We could have had him in the squad. This is not the team which won against Australia and South Africa. You dropped Niazi, you dropped Sufyan, and you dropped a couple of other players as well. What is the reason of keeping them if you want to drop them?
Definitely, I'm not getting why they have just gone with the one specialized spinner in their squad. We want actually two or three specialized spinner
Look at
for
New Zealand,
Pakistan.
three spinners.
Exactly,
Anasam.
and India, they are going with the three spinners.
actually, I
So for me, I guess Pakistan lost when they just announced their squad for the Champions Trophy, and that's a major setback for Pakistan as well. And we should focus more towards our bowling because our fast bowling has collapsed, and we want some new faces in our fast bowling as well.
And Anasab, lastly, before we conclude this video, do you have hope from the Pakistan team? Because I think we have talent in one.
Exactly.
With Fakhr and if Saim Way will come back, the team will get stronger and they have potential to do well. So, do you think this team can rise up again?
Definitely, Pakistan has a great talent. They have a great talent in batting. They have great talent in their spin bowling as well.
Main issue is fast bowling.
Fast bowling is the major concern for Pakistan right now. We want some two or three new faces in Pakistan fast bowling. We want to give chance to the new talent as well. So for me, I guess Pakistan fast bowling is the major concern because they are not taking wickets what we expect them to take. So for me, I guess Pakistan should focus towards their bowling.
And 70-70 score conceded by Shaheen.
Exactly.
This was not Shaheen of 2021.
21 or
Who was
22.
to bowl 150 consistent with that space swing. Even though he got Rohit out, but he was not looking the same Shaheen.
Exactly, he was going for boundaries in every each over.
Those deliveries.
Exactly. So for me, I guess Shaheen should take some rest, and we should go with our one or two new fast bowlers.
And Anasab, thank you so much for your time. Inshallah,
you.
tomorrow again we'll try to have another video. So that's it for this video. Like, share, and subscribe to Sports for more content like this. Till then, it's goodbye from me and Anasab side. Take care of yourself and from now.
Allah Hafiz, take care. Aqil.